Food bank lines grow one by one. Tell me how that counts as fair when empty plates are everywhere. Second homes with polished doors, nurses priced out of the floors. One sleeps easier, one works late. Who decided this was fate? Private halls and charity praise, working kids just count the days. Some inherit paths made clear, some are told success starts here. Benefits are called a drain, tax havens wash away the stain. £1 missing brings a fight, but millions vanish overnight. They call the poor too slow to climb, while fortune passes through the bloodline. One breaks back to pay the rent, one gets rich by accident it seems. Council homes fade brick by brick, luxury towers rise up quick. Windows glow but nobody stays. Who is winning in these days?